In this video, I'm gonna talk about CSS units. This is a simple but little confusing topic for every beginners. And as you can see here, I have added a base code with a div tag which contains headings and paragraph. And I also linked the style sheets. So CSS units. CSS units is classified into two types, relative units and absolute units. Relative units is nothing but pixel, point, centimeter, inches and millimeter. Absolute unit contains EM, REM, percentage, view height and view width. I'm just going to talk about REMs and EMs in this video. I prepared a slide for you guys to understand much clearly. So REM, if we specify any property with REM units, that's going to depend on the root element. In this case, the root element is HTML. So the 0.75 REM depends on the root element. Let me show this with a quick demo. Now, before actually doing this, let's inspect this particular paragraph and let's search for the browser style with the property name font size. And you can see here, right, 18 pixel. By default, every browser have a font size of 16 pixel, but the user have full control over the browser. As you can see here, you can just go to preference and you can change the font size. But by default, every browser is set to 16 pixel. So you can see here, right, it is set to 16 pixel. Now let's select the paragraph and let's change the to 1 rem. And you can see here, right, nothing happens because by default it is set to 16 pixel. What if we change this to 2 rem? And you can see here, right, it is changed to 32 pixel because this particular unit depends directly on the root element. So let me write the concept, base concept over here. Root element into any property. This is the base concept. And in this particular place, we are using a value of 2 rem, which is nothing but 16 into 2, which gives us 32 pixel. So the paragraph have a font size of 32 pixel, and you can even change that by selecting the HTML root element and giving it the font size of 10 pixel. Now this is changed to 20 pixel because the root element is set to 10, so 10 into 2 is nothing but 20 pixel. So you can see here, right, this particular unit depends on the root element, and this is not only applicable for font size. You can even play with many more properties like border. Let's give a border of 0.5 rem followed by solid black. Now let's inspect this. Let's search for border, and you can see here, right, this is changed to 5 pixel, which is nothing but 0.5 into 2. I'm sorry, the root element is set to 10. So 10 into 0.5, which gives us 5 pixel. So every property in CSS, when we use the rem units, depends directly on the root element. So this is like the base concept. Now that we completed EMs, let's move on to EMs. So EM, in CSS, an EM unit is equal to the computed font size of the ancestor element. In this case, the ancestor element is set to 20 pixel and a child element is set to with a property border radius of 0.5 em. So this child element depends on the ancestor element, which is nothing but the parent element. Now let me show you a quick demo in order to make you guys understand. Let's copy this code again, and instead of HTML, let's select the div which is nothing but the parent element, and instead of rem, let's change this to m and let's see what happens. And let's search for the font size property, and you can see here, right, it is changed to 20 pixel. So this font size of the child element depends on the its ancestor element. In this case, the ancestor element is div element. So the concept of em is ancestor element into child element, which gives us the final value. What if we don't have a font size for its ancestor element? Now this will take up the root element, so the font size is changed to 30 pixel, which is the root font size is 16 pixel into 2, which gives us 32 pixel. So if we don't have a font size for the ancestor element, this will take up the font size of the root element, which is nothing but the HTML document. So this is called as EM. Now let's do a quick recap. The basic concept of rem is the root element into any property. In this case, the HTML root element is set to 10 pixel and a paragraph of 2 rem. So 10 into 2, which gives us a 20 pixel. So this is like the base concept for rem. So what is m? M depends on its ancestor element. If we don't have an ancestor element, this will take up the root element, which is nothing but the HTML document.